Hello, I just wanted to show you how to use Screencastify on your computer. If you have a Chromebook and you're at West Chicago, District 33, you already have an extension installed. If not, you would have to install that extension. Up at the top, you're going to see Screencastify. It won't have this little red circle. The reason why that's there is because mine is currently recording. You'll click on that, and a menu that looks just like this is going to show up. This is deciding what you want to record. So do you want to record just one browser tab? So maybe you only want to record the one browser tab. You don't want the other ones to show up. Or you want the whole desktop to show up, which is what I'm doing right now. Or just the webcam, so you just want your face on there, you talking. You can turn on the microphone or turn off the microphone, or turn on or off the webcam as well. You might have to click the drop down and choose which one. And then you just click record. Once you click record, it's going to say 3, 2, 1, and then begin recording. So then, after you hit record, you're going to choose which desktop you want. Most of you are only going to have one desktop, but I have a second monitor set up. So you'll just choose that screen one and hit share. Then it'll do 3, 2, 1. When you're done, you're going to click at the bottom. I don't know if you can see this, but you're going to click on the bottom and it'll say stop sharing. Then it'll go to a new window and it'll look a lot like this. It'll have a name up here. You can change that name there. But what I prefer to do is click on View on Drive, and it'll go right here. It will not be processed yet. But you can rename it. So then what I can do is, and you can get rid of the extension too. You can say, Screencastify directions. All right, and I'm going to give it a number. And hit OK. And then you can go into your drive. Let's go to Google Drive. There's a folder now for Screencastify. So you go to Screencastify, and it'll have all the videos, and here is my video. And if I want to share it, I right click. For those of you on a Chromebook, that's 2 fingers at the same time, just touching the keypad. And then you can click share and click get shareable link, decide who you want to share with, copy that link, and you can send it to anyone in the world, and they'll be able to see that video. So that is how you do Screencastify. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a good day.